Video 237, we got a problem. So if I go really slow right now, I should be able to get it. So these holes right here, you see kind of how we have these holes? I'm going very slowly vertically. This problem is only happening with vertical. It's not happening with horizontal. So I thought it had something to do with the fact that when we go vertically, it's a different scan line. And when we're horizontally, it's the same scan line. I'm not sure. So we added some places in the code for where we're kind of looking around. So I have some notes for the source offset here inside of the GPU sync function for the different bounds. And I was thinking that maybe this was being called and this value was incorrect. But when I change this value to like hard code it to 0 or remove it, I see absolutely nothing gets set rather than slight mistakes. So I don't think it's that. It's a contender, but I don't think it's that. We've added this crash on vital to do for the was-a-dir flagging because I think this is a big contender. This was-a-dir, if I set was-a-dir to say 0 down here, so that was-a-dir is always 0, then down here, the dirty rectangle is always going to end up being 1 by 1. And when I do that, I actually see the problem exacerbated. So this is a big contender for where the problem is. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we kind of did in this video. We just kind of looked for a bug. So what we're going to do next is we're actually going to work on more rendering tech, because I think we need a little bit more visual feedback before we can find this bug. I'd rather spend the time making more rendering tech, and that could find the bug for me rather than just look around and have nothing to show for it. So you can get the source code here, and you are on this playlist. You can go to the longer playlist for a longer explanation. This has been video 237. Like and subscribe.